Hey all, welcome to the fifth video of our robotics learning journey. In this video, we will be showing you how to make our BBrain react to sounds. We will be using BBrain, microphone of BBrain, display of BBrain and the codeit app to program the brain. To start, go to codeit app. First, connect the BBrain to codeit. A brief explanation about connecting is there in the previous video. So if you guys didn't watch it, consider watching it. So now let's start programming. Go to Maker. From the basic section, we will drag the forever to block so as to continue forever or until we stop. Next, from the logic section, we will drag and drop the if do block. If else work pretty much same as the if else in real life. If you guys want to know more about like this conditional statements and their working, watch out my Python tutorial playlist, which will be also useful and helpful in the upcoming videos where we will be using Python programming to make bigger and better projects. So basically the condition we are giving here is true, the blocks in this section will run, else if it's not true, the blocks in the else section will run. So go to input section and drag is sound loud block and drop it here. Then go to display section and drag and drop the show image block. As the loudness of our sound varies, we won't be properly able to see the heart emoji. So we need to add a small delay so we can clearly see the image for some time. For that, go to basic section and drag and drop pose for block here and change 100 to 600 milliseconds. Next, we need to create a else statement. For that, click this small setting icon and drag this else block here, then it will be visible here. Now again, go to display and drag and drop show image block and change it to sad. So here, if the sound is loud, these blocks will run, which means it will show a heart and wait for 600 milliseconds before running the loop again. And if the condition is not true, it will show a sad face. So that's all about programming. Now let's power everything up and test our BBrain's reaction. As you can see, while I'm talking, it's showing a heart, and once I stop talking, it will show us a sad face. Let's try. And there you can see, once I'm silent, it will show a sad face. And well done, you have just built a reacting BBrain using codeit. This is just one of the many projects you can build using the BBrain robotic kit. Stay tuned for more videos where we will be showcasing if and more projects using the BBrain robotic kit. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Until that, take care and bye-bye.